everyone on YouTube. I'm here just to talk about the Turbo 3 cash machine. It's a very simple system that it's a $3 website. I came across it back in 2017 and it works just fine. You basically get a for the $3 that you spend for this website, you get your very own website. It's basically like the reseller rights to set up this system, and there's no web hosting, no additional cost. It's just a one-time payment, and you set it up, and you share your website, your link, or whatever, and let those who are interested make a decision if they want their very own. And it does add up. It does add up. It does all the closing and selling, and everything about it is connected straight to your PayPal account. You pretty much get 100%. So, like, imagine selling, let's say, an ebook or any product. This website in itself is the product, and it's only $3. It has all the, like I say, it's a one page website, and normally it's offered for $47, but they figure, wouldn't you rather get multiple $3 instead of, which is like it's much easier to obtain, and you know, just share the information and let someone take a look at the website, and if it makes sense, they go for it. That's pretty much just all it is. Like I say, it'll say click on here, and it'll take you to a whole other site. And that's, just follow the process. And then you go from there, and that's pretty much all it is. They'll send you basically an email, and you can join. You can get your own website and basically start making money with it. All you have to do is tell people about the website. It's one of the better. It's one of the cheaper websites that I've come across that's one-time payment with free hosting, and that's the key. A lot of websites you deal with, you have to pay for the hosting or the reseller rights or whatever the case is, and then you'd have to go through and actually set the site up or anything like that. But with this website, this $3 website, $3 turbo system, all you have to do is pay, and everything is pretty much on autopilot. And if you look at the numbers, you can see that the sky's the limit. That they're making in 30 days, that you could be making this type of money or more. There's no limit. And let's just imagine that you're sitting there and you don't really like, you need some money, and then you go and you advertise this website, this $3 website, and next thing you know, you could have, by the end of one day, you can have $300, or you can have an extra $30. It's like something coming in every day is better than you sitting there and you're broke and you're like, oh man. All I can say is, this is what I want you to do. Take action. If you're on my YouTube channel, like, comment, subscribe, and if you're interested in more sites just like this one, let me know, and we'll go from there. And I'll see you at the top, definitely. But definitely, it's the best $3 that you'll ever spend. I promise you that. Because, look at it like this. You spend $3 on a drink, you know, or going to Sonic or something like that to get a happy hour drink, or to the car hop special, like, It's never about spending money. It's always about the return. And if you see that you can make a return off of your investment, then this is definitely something that you should look into and should try. And I tell everyone about it. So, like I say, try the Turbo 3 cash machine and start earning today.